Hi, I'm Kris.
And I'm Graeme. And we're here today with Saul, the godfather of our presentation.
Yo, guy, what up?
Okay, so today you'll be watching our physics video, and in it you will see many physical demonstrations with water. Thank you for your time. So as you can see, Mr. Schumacher outlawed Speedos from our presentation. So only the godfather of our presentation, Saul Feinstein, will be wearing one. And I will show you much more specifically this second. Speedo. So to begin, for your entertainment, we will jump in the incredibly cold water. Ready, Kris? Ready. Let's go. Wow! That's cold. Kris just dislocated his shoulder, but Saul is okay. No. Okay, so for our first demonstration, I will show an example of supersonic in water. This occurs through the waves I create when moving through the water. They resonate around me similar to sound. Waves created by like a plane flying. And seeing as I will reach the destination before my waves, it's similar to the plane coming first and then the sound. So, now my brother, Matthew Myers, our film engineer, has nothing to do with family connections. He's being paid less than minimum wage. I will demonstrate. Show up here. So first I walk, you see the waves come around me, then I walk faster and get ahead of the waves, and I touch the wall before the waves get there. Saul has transformed out of his bear-like shape and is now in a boxing robe. And he is ready with our second demonstration.
Alright, so this hose represents a tube such as one as you would find in a household electrical item. The water represents electron flow. My thumb, which can be acted as a resistor, is placed over the nozzle, and the flow is diverted and slowed down. Except because the opening is smaller, it goes further away. But the idea is the same. So, resistance, no resistance. Double the resistance means I get wet.
And now Kris will discuss our third demonstration.
So as you can see, the water is extremely cold, so I have put my shirt back on and I can't feel my legs. This demonstration will show that when the angle of incidence is changed, my legs will appear to be smaller. So Saul will now change the angle of incidence, and you should see my legs appearing much smaller.
And
I am starting to shiver, so I'm gonna get out of the pool now.
And as you get to a more normal height, his legs appear to be more normal as well. Go.
Graeme will now discuss our third demonstration.
Thank you, Kris, and it is the fourth demonstration.
Fourth demonstration.
Okay, so for this demonstration, I will show the addition of crests and rarefactions. When a crest and a crest are added together, it creates a higher crest, and then when a rarefaction and a rarefaction, it creates a lower trough. So now, as you see, as I begin to move, it creates crests and troughs around me. Then as I move more, it's extra crests, and as you see, when they catch up, they go higher. Show the waves, please. Film engineer.
Also to note, depending on his speed, the distance between each wave will vary. So the faster he goes, and the quicker he goes, the waves will be more compressed. And the slower he goes, the waves will be further apart.
And as you see, the waves are getting larger and larger as the crests keep adding up. Thank you.
Okay, so now we will laugh at Saul jumping in. Ha ha.
Is it on?
Yes, that's what I'm talking. Damn it.
Okay, let's go.
After this brief interlude, we now commence with our second half. And Graeme will be swimming to show Newton's third law.
Okay.
getting in. He is extremely cold.
Yes, that's why he's wearing goggles, so his eyes don't freeze.
Yes, okay, let's go.
So, as he swims, his hands are pushing against the water, so there is an equal and opposite reaction with his hands in the water. As he moves, he propels himself by pushing against the density of the water. This would not be possible in air. However, he could probably do the same in Jello.
And now for a little snack break.
Benedict Arnold right here.
Okay, so for our demonstration number 6, Saul, aka the coward, aka Benedict Arnold, will be showing you the reflection of waves off a wall, similar to rays of light off a mirror, which makes it appear that the waves actually originate elsewhere from where he's actually creating them. Okay, Mr. Coward, afraid to go in the water? Let us begin.
Alright. That's because there's a very cold wind that's broken out now. Alright. Starting the waves.
As you can see, they reflect off the wall and make it appear as if they come from over here, though in fact Saul is hitting the water in front of the wall.
And the ripples are reaching the end over there now, and it seems like the original source is coming back here or something.
From the wall.
Yeah.
Well done, Saul. Thank you for being a coward. Now bonus. 2-in-1 demonstration number 7 and 8. Saul will be demonstrating inertia. As you can see right now, there are no forces acting on him except for cold, but he is fighting that. So the total of forces is 0, so there's no movement. But Kris, the scary man with a long pole, comes and makes Saul do the limbo. The force of fear acts on Saul, and he moves. He is scared. Kris, the man with the pole, is entertained. Thank you, everyone. Kris, you may put the pole down. Now for demonstration number 2 of this. Hey, stay in the water. What are you doing?
Yo, my legs are killing me. No, Yo.
We have forced Saul back in. We have forced Saul back in with death threats. And now, here's the second part of that 2-part demonstration. Saul will be showing refraction. You can see his feet there. Kris will attempt to fish for his feet with a fishing pole that is actually a stick.
No, change the camera.
But truly, as you can see, he misses his feet because of the refraction from the water. Saul's feet do not are not actually where they seem to appear. And so Kris has to look for larger fish that's easier for him to catch. Oh well, Kris. You gypsy. Back by popular demand, we now show you one more physics demonstration. Saul, do the honors. Resonance. Chia. And now for the best demonstration of all, the Snoop Dogg. Shortly thereafter, Saul returned to his bear-like form, and as the godfather of our presentation, would like to thank you all for watching and say, au revoir, bonne nuit, muchos gracias. Okay, cut it.